नया दौर मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है सोच के क्या नया होने वाला है. I'm very scared. In real life, I'm very adventurous. I am somebody who's bored like this. If I'm not working, I'll head off for a vacation, some kind of adventure sport. So I'm very adventurous, and that Kida only in me says yes to Khatro Ke Khiladi all the time. I am an actor. I want to act. I want to do a lot of acting. Stunts are going to level up. It's डर का नया दौर.
This is Nawaz Kochra joining you on Indian Express Screen, and I am here in conversation with Jasmine Basil.
Hi Nawaz, so
Hello,
nice to see
Jasmine.
you.
Absolutely. And you know the most experienced player of Khatro Ke Khiladi, can we say that?
I think Karan is equally experienced.
Yes.
He's also done it as many
हाँ,
times.
आप तीनों, you, Karan and Ritwik, आप तीनों ने इसके पहले 2 seasons किए हुए and this is the 3rd one. What's the feeling this time?
Feeling is same, excited, super excited, but at the same time super nervous also because it's going to be Khatro Ke Khiladi डर का नया दौर. So it's नया दौर मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है सोच के क्या नया होने वाला है. I'm very scared really.
But you know, जो from what हम rumors सुन रहे हैं, stunts are going to level up. जो आप लोगों ने किए हैं उससे भी
ये
आगे.
रूमर नहीं है, ये फैक्ट है. स्टंट्स आर गोइंग टू लेवल अप. इट्स डर का नया दौर. तो मतलब और टाइम भी चेंज हो गया है ना. थिंग्स हैव चेंज, फियर्स हैव चेंज, यू नो. सो वो लेवल तो बढ़ेगा.
Absolutely. But was there also a specific reason why you decided to take up the show once again?
No, there isn't a specific reason. It's just that this show is very special to me. This was my first ever reality show.
Yes.
And I would say I was acting. Before that, I did super hit shows, Tashnesh, Dil Se Dil Tak. But the kind of recognition this show got me, the kind of confidence I got, the person I became, that's very special to me. And I am always ready to go through that journey again to come out as a better and more confident version of myself.
You were in the season 8, if I'm not wrong, or season 9?
I don't know what number season it was, but it was in 2018.
Okay, huh. So, you know, from then to, you know, then Made in India was the next
Yes.
season. How much have you seen, you know, Khatro Ke Khiladi as an IP also evolved? Like, you know, what has changed every season that you've been a part of?
I think the level of stunts, the level of danger, that keeps getting up. आप पहले के शुरू के सीजन देखो, अब देखो आपको लगे oh my god कितने advanced, कितने difficult stunts हैं. That has changed. Our locations keep changing. Khatro Ke Khiladi has happened at such amazing locations in past. The season I did happened in Argentina. Then there's a season that happened in Bulgaria.
Yeah.
And Cape Town also, couple of seasons have happened. So the locations keep changing, contestants keep changing, challenges keep becoming more and more difficult.
How adventurous is Jasmine in real life?
In real life, I'm very adventurous. I am somebody who's bored like this. If I'm not working, I'll head off for a vacation, some kind of adventure sport. So I'm very adventurous, and that Kida only in me says yes to Khatro Ke Khiladi all the time. But in Khatro Ke Khiladi, it's adventure with khatra.
Okay. But then, you know, if you have to tell me the most adventurous / craziest thing you've done in life so far, what would that be?
Most craziest but adventurous thing that... Okay, so recently this year, every year I try to learn and experience some new adventure thing.
Okay.
This year, gone year, I went for skiing. I went to learn skiing from high mountains, and that was really crazy because the thrill is amazing, but you know, if you're sloping down those mountains in your gear, if you slip, oh my god, वो जो ठंडी बर्फ की चोटें लगती हैं, very painful.
और वो blue हो जाते हैं, बड़े painful.
And then it doesn't move because it's so cold there.
Right. Also, you know, Jasmine, today in life as a human being, what is the one fear you have?
In life, one fear I have, of course, I'm at that stage where I really fear about my parents' health because they're getting older. So, losing your parents or seeing them suffer because of the age or health is my biggest fear.
Also, professionally, you know, you have been doing some amazing work. You know, you've explored the reality space also. After this, what's What's the plan?
After this, the plan is going to be same. I am an actor. I want to act. I want to do a lot of acting.
एक पंजाबी फिल्म भी आ रही है फिल्म
Yeah, so I now just like we were leaving for खतरो जल्दी एक दिन के लिए रात को जाओ कुछ करो patchwork. I'm finishing of that film and that film is very special to me. It's a beautiful love story जो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लगी. Now I'm gonna finish dubbing, shooting songs, everything, and then leave for खतरो peacefully.
Also, you know, if you have to tell me one story from your life, you know, where you have faced a fear or, you know, overcome a challenge and felt really proud about it, what would that story be?
So I have never learned driving. I'm not a driver. So in second season, I reached finale. I was a finalist, and now the final stunt had driving in it. So then I was trained for a few hours. और मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं ड्राइविंग सीख ही नहीं सकती. मैंने पास में भी ट्राई किया. जैसे ही कोई सामने से गाड़ी आती थी मैं ऐसे आइज क्लोज करके स्टीयरिंग व्हील छोड़ के बैठ जाती थी. बिगेस्ट मतलब फोबिया कि सीखनी ही नहीं है, चलाना तो दूर की बात है. और मुझे थोड़ी देर के लिए सिखाई और फिर उसके बाद एज द शो इज़ खतरों के खिलाड़ी मैंने वो स्टंट किया. आपको करना ही पड़ता है. एंड मैंने गाड़ी चलाई, वो स्टंट अच्छे से किया, जीती नहीं पर अच्छे से किया. उस दिन मेरा फियर खत्म हो गया. लाइक आई कैन अटेम्प्ट लर्निंग ड्राइविंग एंड स्टार्ट लिटिल.
Amazing. Well, on that note, wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Hope to see you kill it once again this time.
Yes, I'm also hoping the same.
Absolutely. All the best.
Thank you so much, Nawam. Nice to meet you.